In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and print checks in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the full process from recording your check to setting up your printer to actually printing your checks so they line up perfectly on your check stock. Let's start with how to write or record a check inside QuickBooks Online. At the top of your QuickBooks screen, select the New button, which usually looks like a plus sign. From there, under the Vendors or Other section, choose Check. This opens up a new check form. At the top of this form, pick your payee from the drop-down list. This should be the person or company you're paying. Next, select the bank account you want the money to come from. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you have multiple business bank accounts connected. Now look for the Print Later checkbox. If you plan to print this check through QuickBooks, leave Print Later checked, or choose the Print Check option if you see that. When you do this, the check number field will show something like "To Print," and QuickBooks will assign the actual check number at printing time. If you've already written the check by hand and you're just recording it, uncheck Print Later and type in the check number from the physical check. After that, fill in the rest of the details: the check amount, the date, and the category or expense account that this payment should be coded to. Take a moment here to double-check the amount and how you're categorizing it, so your financial reports stay accurate. When everything looks good, select Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you need to enter another check. Before you print real checks, you'll want to set up your printer so everything aligns properly. This only has to be done the first time. Go to the New menu again and choose Print Checks, then select Print Setup. QuickBooks will ask what type of checks you use: voucher checks, which are 1 check with 2 stubs per page, or standard checks, which are 3 checks per page. Choose the style that matches your check stock. Load a blank sheet of paper into your printer, then choose View Preview and Print Sample. Print that sample page, place it on top of one of your real blank checks, and hold them up to the light. You're checking that the payee, amount, date, and other fields line up correctly. If they don't, choose No, Continue Setup, and use the alignment tools. You can drag the grid or adjust the vertical and horizontal positions until everything lines up with your actual checks. Print another sample, compare it again, and repeat this process until you're satisfied with the alignment. When it looks right, select Finish Setup or confirm that you're finished. Now you're ready to actually print your checks. Go back to the New menu and select Print Checks. At the top, choose the correct bank account. Then enter the starting check number, which should match the first physical check loaded in your printer tray. You'll see a list of checks that are marked to print. Select the checkbox next to each one you want to print right now. When you're ready, select Preview and Print. Carefully review the preview screen to make sure the payee names, amounts, and dates all look correct. If everything looks good, click Print to send the checks to your printer. After printing, QuickBooks will ask whether the checks printed correctly. If they all look good, select the option confirming that they printed correctly. QuickBooks will then update the check numbers in your register so your records match your real checks. If some or all of the checks didn't print properly, maybe the paper jammed or the ink smeared, choose the option indicating that some checks need reprinting. QuickBooks will put those checks back into the print queue, and you can re-enter the correct starting check number and try printing again. And that's the full process: recording your checks, aligning your printer, and printing accurate professional checks directly from QuickBooks Online.